see Megan, but okay, do it. Watch. I'm kind of seeing it.
He died in 1944 when we were together in Auschwitz.
Okay, no. Okay, but decracked is supposed to be.
We were taken.
Yeah. So I was going down the street, and some and then cracked is. Oh my God. I was in the morning, and I saw Did you know what I just said? I woke up in the morning and I saw Elmo. Elmo. I don't know. I kind of.
Do the tongue.
Your turn, Lacey.
Do the tongue click. Well, you were like making a noise earlier. That's why.
Oh. Wait, what was I doing? I don't remember. I don't remember.
I don't either. It's funny.
Oh my God. It's Auschwitz.
What?
Auschwitz. It's Auschwitz, nigga. Look over there. I see a nigger. Run. There's niggers. Run. Oh, I should have forget. Okay. Oh, Schnickler. Did you say like some weird German name? What? Run? The Arschnugger is going to go here?
Oh my gosh, it was funny.
I just lectured her